Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and share a workout to Strava from your ladder application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find application and install it. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with accessing the theme section right here in the bottom right corner. That is going to enable us to choose the theme that we want to be a part of and whose workouts we can follow. So from there you can go to the main workout page and get started with using the application. So now we can go ahead and take a look at how to share a workout to Strava. We're going to go right here into the upper right corner, click on your profile icon. That's going to open up your profile menu, from where in the upper right corner we can now access the settings. So once you open up your settings, you're going to see all the options you can access right here, and one of them is going to be called integrations. So you're going to click on integrations. Once you click on integrations, you can see from here you can go and sync with your Apple Health, and you have the Strava option as well, so you can connect your devices and Strava specifically. So by clicking on Strava, you can follow the steps step by step on how to go and integrate those two platforms, and then you can get started sharing your workouts directly from ladder to your Strava feed. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.